Good morning, Gary Bartlett, your personal estate agent. So today I'm in the town that I used to call home, and that is Folkestone. Now from here you can see the sea, and I promise you on a clear day you can see France. You've also got views of the viaduct and the town centre. So we are in Pilgrim Spring to show you this 3-bedroom mid-terrace property that's come on the market with no onward chain. But let's go inside and take a look. So there you go. If you would like to come and take a look at the property, then please give me a call on 07834 9 77728. Speak to you soon.